Wooden plow. Wooden plow is an implement which is made of wood with an iron share point. It is drawn with bullocks. It cuts a V-shaped furrow and opens the soil, but there is no inversion. Plowing operation is also not perfect because some unplowed strip is always left between furrows. This can be reduced by cross-plowing, but even then small squares remain unplowed. Subsoil plow. A subsoiler, or subsoiler, is a type of tillage implement that's used to break up compacted soil called as hardpan. Hardpan refers to soil compaction that lies between the topsoil and the subsoil. It's a potentially limiting factor for crop production in some soil. It is worth to mention that research at Ohio State University on subsoiling and many other has shown that certain soil types benefit from deep loosening. But you should remember that not all soil is. We have discussed its reason in another video on zero tillage. However, here it is important to mention that if you have a hardpan in your field, you will have standing water for long time. Then you should try using a subsoiler. It's a great tool for helping it drain properly. Standing water is often the result of having hardpan, which is also called compacted soil.
Here our next primary implement is moldboard plow. The term, moldboard plow, describes an implement that cuts soil, lifts it, and turns it at least partly upside down by means of a curved plate, or moldboard. Advantages of moldboard are that it cuts, lifts, breaks up, and loosens soil that has been compacted through machinery, traffic, or natural causes to a.
Usually the depth of its plow is from 30 to 40 centimeters.
It overturns vegetation and residues, buries it, which is beneficial in some cases. It exposes insect pests. Disadvantages of the action of burying in erosion-prone area are that, as most surface vegetation leaves the soil surface much more vulnerable to erosion by wind and water, and leads to an increased loss of soil and fertilizer resources. Furthermore, the eroded soil material and nutrients cause pollution in their recipient surface watercourses.
Disc plow. The disc plow is designed to work in all types of soil for functions such as soil breaking, soil raising, soil turning, and soil mixing. Usually the depth of its plow is from 20 to 25 cm, but in some cases, particularly on sandy soils, its plow depth remain about 30 centimeters. The disc plow is more fit for dry, hard ground, and suitable for soil that is too hard for any other plow. It is generally used to open the new fields and to process the stony areas. Because it can be used easily at rocky and rooted areas without much danger of breakage. It works in loose